All right, good day, guys, and welcome. We have this question from jamb 1992, question 11, where we are asked to factorize 9p squared minus q squared plus 6qr minus 9r squared. So quickly we dive into this question by writing solution. Write solution. Let's copy out our expression. We have 9p squared minus q squared plus 6qr minus 9r squared. Now we proceed by grouping our expression to form a trinomial expression. That is, we will group our expression, write 9p squared. We factor out minus, the subtraction from the other part of our expression. Hence we have minus, bracket open, q squared, where we have a plus before it becomes minus, 6qr, and our plus becomes minus 9r squared, bracket close. Next, having done this, we take note of the following. The part of our expression that we've grouped as a trinomial, we have A is the coefficient of q squared as equal to 1. We have B as equal to minus 6. And we have C as equal to plus 9. Now, since RA is equal to 1, it therefore means that there's no need for us to look for the value of AC. Rather, we just look for the factors of C that when added gives us B. Now, our value for C is 9 and our value for B is minus 6. Hence, two factors of 9 that gives us minus 6 are minus 3 and minus 3, because minus 3 times minus 3 gives us plus 9, and minus 3 plus minus 3 gives us minus 6, which is our value for B. Therefore, our expression 9p squared minus bracket open q squared minus 6qr plus 9r squared bracket closed is equal to 9p squared minus bracket open q squared minus 3qr minus 3qr plus 9r squared bracket close. Minus 3qr minus 3qr takes the place of minus 6qr. And continue solving, and we have 9p squared minus bracket open q bracket open. We factor out q from q squared minus 3qr, so we're left with q minus 3r bracket close. Now we factor out minus 3r from minus 3qr plus 9r squared. Hence we have a minus 3r bracket open q minus 3r bracket close. Solving further, we have 9p squared minus bracket open 9 minus 3q bracket close bracket open 9q minus 3r bracket close. So I have a q minus 3r appearing twice. Therefore, our expression can be rewritten as 9p squared minus bracket open q minus 3r bracket close all squared. At this point, it's good we know that our expression is a difference of two square expression, or it looks like a difference of two square expression. Hence, we can continue solving. We can continue solving by converting 9 to 3, because 9 is the same thing as 3 squared. So we can open a bracket and we have 3p bracket close all squared minus bracket open q minus 3r bracket close all squared. Having done this, we proceed to solve in the form of a difference of 2 squared, and we open a bracket. We have 3p minus bracket open q minus 3r bracket close, open another bracket. We have a 3p plus bracket open q minus 3r bracket close, Proceed further. Come down here. Now we have a bracket open, 3p minus times q. So in order for us to open a bracket within, we have minus q minus times minus 3r. We have plus 3r bracket close. You open a second bracket, 3p plus times q gives us plus q. Now plus times minus 3r gives us minus 3r bracket close. Hence, bracket open 3p minus q plus 3r bracket close, bracket open 3p plus q minus 3r bracket close is our answer. Thank you.